In this video, we will use a template to quickly get our bearings on our AI-generated prototype. We will take a look at a demo prototype result, have a look at the benefits, take a quick tour of the template, and see how you can quickly edit after using the template. The link for the template repo is in the description. So our demo prototype is a mock-up viewer. The user will get different AI models to generate mock-up pages or elements. They will copy the output code and then paste in the mock-up viewer. They can then see their mock-ups in action and test different device sizes and switch between different mock-ups to compare results. So taking a look at the benefits of using a template. With regard to coding with AI, cognitive debt is our lack of knowledge about the code base. By setting up a template app, you guide the AI with the structure of the output, and that allows you to easily navigate the code base and direct AI if your project is unique. And you can easily jump in and make simple adjustments without wasting all your tokens. I chose this stack for the front-end SPA template as it is quick and easy from development to production. Lit components are also framework agnostic and can easily be converted or inserted into another stack. So let's take a tour. We have a basic SPA template. This is basically a copy from an earlier video. I'll leave a link for the video in the description, and we are using Node version 24. First of all, we have the folder structure, keeping it very flat and easy to locate all the files. And using sequenced numbering can help you quickly debug CSS styles by clearly knowing the order of the styles. Favicon images in public get saved in the root folder, and the assets folder is for the images you use in your app. We have main pointing to our index, and note we are using Node version 24. And then our script pointing to our main.js file. From main, we import our router, components, styles, and run our router function. In our router, we import our pages. You can refer to the 404 router video or see the code in the GitHub repository. And a template page to easily create new pages, although this is not necessary if you are using AI. So the partial styles are all imported. And then a couple of sample components. If you have a specific code structure you like to use for any parts of your code, then you can add a sample or template for that, like a CRUD API for fetch functions. Or if you have unique schemas you want to use, then you would also add it in. And this basic web app template is now all set up with full navigation and a counter component ready for AI to repurpose. So setting up. Firstly, download the template, then copy the contents and name it for your new project. You will do this for every project. Then update your name in package.json. We used mock-a-viewer in this example. And then run npm install from the terminal, which will install all your dependencies and get you up and running directly. I'll also leave a link in the description for setting up a Vite project from scratch. To test the template in a browser, run the script npm run dev. Then copy the localhost URL into your browser to see it running. So we ran our prompt. For this example, we used the free version of anti-gravity. In the resulting app, the mockup viewer, the user pastes in AI-generated HTML mockup code, and you can see the output, edit, save locally, share, or download. And the calendar mockup code in this example was generated by DeepSeek. See the link in the description if you want to try out this web app in action. And our code base is almost exactly the same as our template, and because we know the code layout, we can quickly fix anything we need. In this example, there are a couple of design and functional issues. The background of the preview panel flashes white before rendering, and the page logic of clearing previous mockups is not correct. So from our variables file, we grabbed the background variable and added it as the background color for our iframe, and that fixed the issue. And we made one of the buttons dynamic and updated the router for a better user flow. So templates are great for staying in the loop and reducing cognitive debt of your codebase. So enjoy creating with AI using templates. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.